Let's see how you can import a list of other contacts all at one time. Click this link to go back to contacts. And then, instead of clicking Create Contact, click Import. Here, if you have a spreadsheet or export of your contact list from another CRM, click Import a File. We are importing contacts, so I'll click Start Import. Here, we want to select the objects that we're importing data for. For now, I'm only importing contacts, so I'll select Contacts and click Next. Before uploading a file, you can download HubSpot's example file if you haven't already structured a file yourself. My file is an expanded version of theirs, so I'll include the link to my template in the video description. These columns were included in the original example file, and then I've added these ones. Click Choose a File, and then select your file. I'll select Create and Update Contacts, because my list contains the contact that we already added manually, and I don't have contact-to-contact associations, so I'll click Next. And then you'll have the opportunity to check your mapping. HubSpot is very good at aligning your column name from your spreadsheet with the correct contact property in the CRM. But if you have errors here, you may need to make small adjustments. In future imports, you can check this Don't Overwrite box if you ever want to be sure not to overwrite certain properties in later contact updates. Everything looks good here, so I'll click Next. For the import name, I like to append today's date, in case I didn't already have it as part of my file name. Here, you can create a new contacts list based on this import, but I just want to add these contacts to my All Contacts list. Agree that you are able to import these contacts, and then click Finish Import. It may take a few minutes until HubSpot shows you the banner that the import has completed, and you should get a notification. You'll see that we've landed on the Data Management tab after the import, and if we click back to return to Data Integration, you can see your list of past imports.